Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to navigate and activate Spotlight in WordPress. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official homepage. Make sure to log in, and once you're inside your account, locate the quick link, alright? Let me just show this to you. It's going to be my home. Alright, so we have in here the quick links over here. I want you to select the edit sites. You can either right click on that and open link in a new tab, and it will show something like this. All right. Find the three dots to show more options in the upper right corner over here. Then we need to select preferences at the very bottom section. Over here, click on appearance, and we will now have the spotlight mode that we can enable. Highlights the current block and fades other content. Go ahead, enable that, and you're done. You have successfully enabled this in your WordPress. You now have a cleaner, distraction-free WordPress editing environment. I hope you found this video very helpful.